look at, why is our hay there? I don't understand why our hay is there.
I don't know.
Darcy, would you grab my lunch line, please?
Why would they leave hay right there?
Dolly? That's the new horse.
No, that's the old Dolly that was the first doggy Darcy. Really?
Yes, honey? You want to help her, Daddy? All right, she's got it.
Ooh, the body man. Ooh, the body.
What were you just telling your daddy before we came here? But she was so far away. Remember
Darcy?
Remember how you said that she would never throw you off?
Darcy, look at the camera and tell the lady who sent us how happy you are to have her back. Her name is Sheila.
Sheila, I love Dolly and thank you for letting